Hi guys, so if your fan speed is too loud in your Windows 11 desktop, so how to fix this? It's very easy. Just search power plan or search edit power plan in the search box. Click on edit power plan. Now click on change advanced power settings, and now here just locate processor power management. Click on this plus sign to expand it. Now expand minimum processor state, change it to 5. Expand maximum processor state, change it to 60, because what happens that sometimes we don't need that much amount of power. For example, if we are playing games or we are doing some hardcore editing, then we need this kind of processor state, but 60 is okay. And if you're really annoyed by the fan noise, you can set it to 60 and 5, and your fan noise will be more silent in that case. If you need a certain hardcore CPU intensive or graphics card intensive process in future, then you can change it. And let's say you want to play some game who needs this kind of graphic card and CPU performance, just change it and then change it back again when you don't need it. So just setting minimum processor state as 5 and maximum processor state as 60. Click on OK, and that's it. And now your fan noise will be much more silent. Now, if this does not get fixed, then if it is desktop, you can always open and clean the fan. This is also one of the reason of the fan noise. Also, you can check the BIOS settings, and in the BIOS settings of several manufacturers like Dell or Lenovo or something like that, every laptop or desktop manufacturer in their BIOS settings has a configuration of fan noise, so you can just set that to in low power mode. Thanks for watching. Please do like.